Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a mobile device in order to be used with a different carrier or network than the one that originally sold it. By default, most mobile devices these days are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to only being used with the original carrier, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different carrier or different network. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy J3 Achieve, and this is a device that was sold by Sprint here in the US, along with their other partners and carriers and subsidiaries like Boost Mobile or Virgin Mobile. And this is a device that has not yet been SIM unlocked because we have a different carrier SIM card inserted here, and we can see up in the notification bar that we have the standard invalid SIM card message that shows up on just about every Sprint phone before it has been SIM unlocked. So Sprint will, of course, do the SIM unlock for you if you meet all of the requirements for doing so, but the requirements are usually that you be the original owner of the device, that you have it fully paid off or out of contract, etc., and then also that you have it active with them for a certain number of days or months. So we've been contacted by tons of customers asking us to assist them with this specific issue on this exact model, usually either because they themselves wanted to change away from Sprint before they were eligible for Sprint to do the unlock for them, or because they were sold the device by a dishonest seller who didn't tell them that the device was still locked, or they claimed that the device was eligible for the unlock already through Sprint, or whatever the case may be. And then the buyer purchased the device and then found out that that actually wasn't true and that the device was not usable with their carrier as they thought. So we're making this video to let any interested customers know that we do offer a service to be able to get this specific model SIM unlocked without having to go through Sprint or their other carriers and meet their requirements. It's something that we do directly to the device while it is plugged into a computer, and it's actually what we're running right here right now while the phone is plugged in so that you can clearly see the before and after. So obviously the invalid SIM card message is still there, and then when we're done we'll be able to see that that no longer shows up and that the device does indeed get signal and register on that test SIM card that we have inserted. I should also mention this is something that we can do for just about anyone, anywhere in the world, so you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect to your computer right through the internet and perform the exact same procedure that we're doing right here, right now. Our unlock program is just finishing running up here, so we just need about another minute or so for it to be able to run through and do the final steps. And then, like I said, after that we should be able to see it reboot and that we can get signal on that test SIM card that we have inserted. So give it just a minute here to finish up running its final steps. If it looks like it's going to take more than a few seconds, I'll go ahead and fast forward the rest of the video just so we can try to keep this short and sweet. So just hold on here while that's running through. Okay, so we should be all set to go. Yep, our unlock program finished running, so we're going to go ahead and just disconnect the device and then wait while it boots up here real quick. All right, there we are. So the device has rebooted, and we will notice that up in the corner we don't get that invalid SIM card message anymore. Right now it's just saying no network connection because it does take a few seconds for it to run through and registered when you have a SIM card inserted. So we're going to go ahead and swipe that away. And then I do need to jump into the settings to make sure that we have it set to the correct network mode. And yes, we do. So now I'm going to go ahead and jump down to the About Phone section, and so we can indeed see that here we have a Galaxy J3 Achieve, and then that model number there, the J337P, that's the exact model number of the device that we're working with here. Now we should be able to see up here in the corner we do have our signal bars enabled here, and then if my focus will cooperate we can see that we do have our network name set as Cricket. That is the carrier of the SIM card that we have inserted here, and they're a prepaid provider here in the US that runs on AT&T's network. So then if I jump under the SIM card status section we will indeed be able to see that we have our network set as Cricket with our service state there in service, and everything is all set up to go. So the device has now been fully SIM-locked and is usable with GSM carriers here in the US and also abroad in other countries. Here in the US, GSM carriers would be those that use AT&T's network and T-Mobile's network. So for the most part, the device is not usable with Verizon or any carriers that use CDMA technology, unfortunately. So, if you have a Galaxy J3 Achieve and would like help getting it SIM unlocked for use on a GSM carrier, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all of the details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. If you hit the subscribe button while you're there, you'll also be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like this one. Y para todos hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.